Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick walkthrough of custodian accounts. So once you've done a release of information with your custodian and then given us your advisor code, which is like your master account number, and then once data starts flowing in, you'll start to see your accounts showing up here on the account side menu. You'll see the account type, trust, individual, other, the market value, so we'll get some big ones up here, and then the account number, which you can copy to see the real thing, and then primary related party. This is who the custodian sees as probably the owner, or sometimes it shows the beneficiary. This is kind of just like a hint of like, hey, who is this actually related to, that we get from the custodian. So on this table, the idea here was to make it easy for you to go ahead and set which households own which accounts. So for example, if we say Luke Hop owns this $43 million one and this $10 million one, if we then go into Luke Hop, maybe before I do that, I'll show you can filter it based on which ones are linked. You can also filter based on the account type. So if it's a trust, only show me my trusts. So that's kind of how you can poke through your accounts. But yeah, let's go ahead and see Luke's account. You'll see here we get nightly data. So this will show the data as of yesterday. The total balance for both those accounts is $53 million with a $192,000 gain from yesterday. And then you can see their portfolio composition. So equity, fixed income, other, which is normally like gold, yeah, or cash, how much they hold in cash. And if you click into each one, you can see kind of their big positions there. You can click this table to see more of them. You can also filter, let's say I actually just want to see the trust here. It will recalculate all of this for just the trust. And then you can see the portfolio breakdown for just that account. You can do that for any number of accounts, which I'll show in a second. And then you can see recent transactions down here for the last 90 days or for however long. For the last 90 days since we've been getting data. So if Schwab starts sending us data yesterday, you'll have the transactions from yesterday's or 90 days back. And you can click through here to see that. Another feature we have is we do our best to match on social. So for example, for Luke, if I go ahead and set his social to 999s, if the custodian has informed us that we have accounts that match that social, if we reload here, I've set some up there, we should get a different number here. We should match you up to 6 accounts. So some of these had that matching social associated with the account. So now we have these other accounts added to their portfolio. And then you can click any combination of these to see the portfolio breakdown between those accounts. And again, if we come back to the accounts table, you'll see that those are now linked. And yeah, there we go. There's custodian accounts as they are. We've got a lot of fun improvements coming up, but that's how it stands right now.